I want to give a special shout out to my boy Jay Blast. If you guys don't know who he is, look right here.
I'm gonna just eat it just like this. I'm gonna eat it just like this.
Hey, Kareful K's, Kareful Keith back in. You guys, today, I know you're probably like, why are you in your house and you have on a coat? You want to know why? Because it's cold outside and I just came from outside. And I don't want my food to get cold, seeing the fact that what it is that I have. You guys, I have a macaroni and cheese sandwich. Have you guys ever heard of a macaroni and cheese sandwich? I have not. I mean, I've heard of macaroni. I've heard of sandwich. I've never heard of a macaroni and cheese sandwich. So this should be interesting to try. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Look at that. Can you see it? That is macaroni and cheese, y'all. Look at that. And then they got barbecue sauce on it. What? Macaroni and cheese sandwich with barbecue sauce. And another kind of cheese. I think it said Gouda, I think. And just regular old fries. And a sweet tea. I'm actually gonna drink water. I need to go over there and grab it. But it came with it, so yeah. Probably won't even drink water. I'm probably just gonna eat this so it doesn't get cold. But hope you guys are doing pretty good. I wanna say this is like my second mukbang, I think. Mukbang. First one since I've officially been back to YouTube. Hey y'all. Can't have no. Ooh. These fries, they were fried in grease. These fries, this is a special kind of potato. Put a little ketchup at the top. This is chef quality ketchup. Yeah, I gotta get my water. I ain't even gonna front, and I'm not gonna even cut. I'm gonna make this video as short as possible and go ahead and do this mukbang. Be right back. I actually want ice, so give me a minute. I don't want it though. Give me a minute. And like I said, I'm leaving all this right in there. Sure is. Sure is. Let me get me a straw too. I feel fancy today. What color y'all think? Blue, red, orange. Okay, we're gonna go orange. You're right. I trust y'all opinion. There we go. I'm back, y'all. Good old aqua. Okay. I'll give you guys a French fry. You want a fry? You want ketchup on it or no? I'll give you guys both, one of each. Screw it. Okay. I'm not off nowhere. Okay. Let's get to trying this sandwich, y'all. This is a macaroni and cheese sandwich with barbecue sauce and Gouda cheese. Extra. I don't know what kind of cheese is in the macaroni, but that's okay. First bite.
Oh my God!
It's on sourdough bread too. That is different and tasty. The barbecue sauce goes great with the macaroni. I would have never thought to do this. It's literally melting in my mouth, y'all. This is good. If y'all are out there, if anybody ever can run into somewhere that... Now, this sandwich originally comes with meat on it. The original way to make this sandwich comes with also pulled pork. I said, hold the pork and give me everything else. And this is what I ended up with. This is good. Y'all just see my ice move? Damn, I'm gonna need some more water. Y'all, this is what's up right here. Y'all get y'all some sourdough bread. Make you some macaroni and cheese. Get you some Gouda cheese and some barbecue sauce. Then fry it up like a grilled cheese sandwich.
That's one fat ass meal.
This is bumping. Look, good thing I done did my meal prep all week and I actually stuck to it and ate, right? Because this, number carbs and calories. I think this is a special kind of pasta. Like, these noodles, these noodles are probably from Hawaii.
Excuse me, the fuck did you just say?
I don't know. These noodles, they're For the people out there that love to hear me burp, so far nothing is happening, y'all. I don't think I burped. Did I? Can't remember. Cannot remember. Let's take a bite of this one. This is a lot of flavors, but actually everything is going good. The ketchup on the fries, the barbecue sauce, the Gouda cheese, the macaroni cheese, whatever. I'm spinning shit. Whatever kind of cheese is on the macaroni and cheese. I wonder what kind of butter they used when they did this grilled cheese sandwich. This is probably country crock. Yep, sure is. Yep. This video wasn't gonna be long. I knew it because I mean, well, I didn't know what the sandwich looked like, but saying the fact that I knew it was just sandwich and fries, I knew it wasn't gonna take that long for me to eat it. And hell, if it was not good, it would have took me a lot less time because I would have took a bite of it and been like, Can I get a refill on some water?
Nah.
This ain't a whole lot of talking, y'all. I'm hungry. I am for real. And so I thought it would only be right and fair, saying the fact that I was so freaking hungry and was about to eat, and I had never heard of this. I was like, why not share with the Kareful K fam bam? To all my new Kareful K fam bam members, thank you guys for joining the Kareful K fam bam. To all my current, long time ride or dies, appreciate y'all. I feel a burp. There you go, y'all. There you go for the people out there who love to hear me burp. There you go. I also need to give a shout out. My boy Andy from across the pond. Give a shout out to him. Andy is into like gaming. I'll link his channel down in my description box. It'll say Andy's channel. How about that? Plain and simple. So if you guys are into gaming, go over there and show my boy some love. I don't know shit about gaming personally, but hey, you guys might. Isn't me? Have you ever been eating and then you get to the last bite and then you get a little sad because it's over?
No. Well,
You get a little sad because it's over. That's how I kind of feel a little bit about this. That was good. It was. And I'm done. I'm not gonna eat the rest of these fries. I'm actually full, so. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Yeah. I just took the top off this. Of this gold peak tea. It's actually not bad. And what I mean by not bad is it's not overly sweet. Like mine, if you guys seen my video, I'll put a link. I don't know what damn side the link gonna pop up on. It's somewhere. But it's not overly sweet. That's decent. It is. I think I can drink this. It's kind of weak, but I still taste the tea. But what I'm most excited about, it doesn't taste like sugar. So, okay, I can do this. Okay, so now I'm officially done. See y'all in the next video. Peace.